Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimitri. So today we're going to create a query that selects the state. In this case, I have Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, the state that has basically the highest number of insured people. So that's basically what we're going to create here. We have different types of insurance, which is A, B, C, and we have different states, as I mentioned before. So let's start by creating a select insurance. We're going to count which is the state that has, let's say, Florida is going to have, I don't know, 3,000 people, or Georgia is going to have 1,000 people. So Florida is going to be the highest number there. So we're going to try to figure that out. So select, and then I'm going to say insurance type. Let's try to do this step by step. So I'm going to select the insurance type, and I'm going to select the state just to have a clear understanding of what's going on. So I want this column, state, and insurance type. And let's say I want this from my table customers. Okay, let's just run this and let's see what's going on. So I have a bunch of states and insurance types, but I want to group by state because I want to have all the information by state. So how do I do that? I'm going to add a count function here. So if I do that, let's create an alias for this, and let's say count cities. That's going to be the name of this result. If I run this, I'm going to have an error because I haven't created any group by condition. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to group by state. So I want to create this category. So I want to count by state. Okay, so we're almost there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. And the query that I want to have is the one that gives me the highest value. So it's going to be Georgia, right? So there's 4,634 people insured in Georgia. So let's try to get that query. Okay, so we're missing something else. We're going to say, you know what? I'm going to get the top one of these, but I also want to order by. So let's try to order by first, and let's see if it works. So order by, and then I'm going to say, okay, I want this to be ordered by count cities because I created this alias before, so I can do this. If I run this, we're gonna have something very interesting here. You guys can see that this is basically in order, but we want a different order, right? So we want to have Georgia first. So what we have to do here is we're going to add the descendant condition. So basically, if we run this again, I'm going to have Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, Texas, and North Carolina. So notice that there's only 2 people insured in North Carolina with our company. Okay, so the last step, it's basically to get this value. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to come here to select, and I'm gonna tell SQL Server that I want the top one. That's it. If I just come over here and execute this, I'm gonna have the state with the highest number of insured people. That's pretty much the query that you guys needed for this, and you can apply this to any other database. So I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.